These two, turmeric and carrot, can be used as a whole product. It can be used for the skin, for the hair, it can be taken in as food, and can also be used as medicine for the body. Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to AB's Kitchen. Today I will show you 3 items you can make from the combination of turmeric and carrot. Please keep watching. First, using the small holes of a grater, I'm going to grate the turmeric and the carrots. I'm done grating the carrots. I'm going to take some parts of these carrots and dry them under the sun. If you have an oven, you can do that in your oven. Next is the turmeric. I will do the same thing that I did with the carrot to the turmeric. I will grate and then dry some under the sun. The turmeric can easily stain your hands and your clothes, so you have to be careful when using it. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly when you are done grating the turmeric, or you can use a glove if you have one. In a pot, add 2 cups of water, some portion of the grated turmeric, some portion of the grated carrots. Transfer them to your heat and boil for about 10 minutes. The liquid I will get from the boiled turmeric and the boiled carrots will be used to make turmeric and carrot liquid soap. I will be using Joy soap to make this turmeric and carrot liquid soap. You can use any other soap of your choice. I'll first of all grate the soap into tiny portions so that it can properly melt in the turmeric and carrot liquid. After about 10 minutes of boiling the turmeric and the carrots, I will strain out the liquid. You can discard with the pulp of the turmeric and the carrot, or you can just dry it under the sun and make use of it another time. Now I'll add the grated soap into the turmeric and carrot liquid and stir together so that it will properly melt in the liquid. The soap is not completely melted in the carrot and turmeric liquid, so I'm going to make use of a double boiling method to melt the soap completely. The soap is completely melted in the carrot and turmeric liquid. I have taken it down from the heat and now I will allow it to cool. When it is cold, I will add vitamin E oil. I'm also going to be adding 2 spoons of palm kernel oil. This is to make sure that the soap is moist and does not dry up my skin. I will stir everything together and now my carrot and turmeric soup is ready for use. I'm going to transfer this carrot and turmeric soup into empty bottles. Hey friends, if you're watching this video or this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do not forget to like this video by giving me a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel if you have gained any value from this video. Please also leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Thank you very much. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. I'm so glad. God bless you all. The carrot and turmeric soap has been bottled. This carrot and turmeric soap is very effective for lightening one's skin, for fading out dark spots. It is also effective for drying out rashes and healing sunburns. This carrot and turmeric soap can also fade out burns that was gotten from creams that are oversaturated with chemicals. Now, this is the dried version of the carrots. I'm also going to show you the dried version of the turmeric. Yes, this is the dried version of the turmeric. I will transfer them into my blender and I will blend until they are powdery smooth. See, this is my carrot and turmeric powder. I'll use this carrot and turmeric powder to make my carrot and turmeric soup subsequently. I'll also make carrot and turmeric oil out of this, and I'll also add this to my sauces and my stew as a form of seasoning. When you have done this, make sure to preserve it in a cool, dry place where water cannot reach it. Now I'll take some of that carrot and turmeric powder and make carrot and turmeric oil. This is very good. So all you need to do is to take 2 or 3 spoons of that carrot and turmeric powder, add it into a jar, add at least half a cup of olive oil, stir them all up together, cover the jar and store in a dark cool place for about 7 days. After about 7 days, this is now how the carrot and turmeric oil looks like. I'm going to strain out the carrot and turmeric oil and discard with the pulp. You can reuse the pulp of the carrot and turmeric if you like. This is the carrot and turmeric oil. Now you can use this carrot and turmeric oil in any of your dishes. You can also use it to add in your soaps or in your cream. But adding it into your cream can stain your clothes. So until I come your way, thanks for watching and bye.